Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to download Goldfish Casino on your iPhone. First, open your App Store. After opening your App Store, you can see the search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and click on the search bar on the top and type in Goldfish Casino. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official game. Now to download this game, click on this get button here. After that, your download will be started. Now your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you can see this open button. Click on open to play this game. So following this simple and easy step, you can now easily download Goldfish Casino on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.